Hey guys, I wanted to share a software program with you that I just found tonight. I had actually purchased 3 previous data recovery programs online. Cost me well over $100 for them, and none of them done what I needed them to do. None of them found the files that I was needing to recover. So first of all, let me tell you what happened. We moved into a new house, and before we moved in, I wanted to make sure that my computer was all set up and ready too, so I decided to do a reformat on it, and I did. And before I saved all of my needed files to an external hard drive. After I got everything set back up in the new home, I found out none of the files happened to save to the external hard drive for some reason. And so now that my computer was completely formatted, I had lost hundreds upon hundreds of files that I really needed for my business and also for my church as well. So in the process of searching for software, today I found one that works, and it works very well, and I just want to share it with you today. And hopefully, if you have the same problem, if you've deleted files by accident, if you've formatted your hard drive and you're not able to recover those files, I'm going to show you how you can get those files back. So in your browser, I want to direct you to a website called SaveMyFiles.net. So that's SaveMyFiles.net. And this software is made by a company called Pareto Logic. And I have to tell you, it is by far the easiest and the best data recovery software I've ever used. And what's really neat about this is, unlike the other ones I purchased, you can download it for free. Try it, make sure it can find the files before you purchase it, so you'll know if it's worth your investment or not. So now I've already downloaded it, but what you'll need to do is just click the free download it to your computer. It's a very small file. Once you do that, you'll have something like this here, and you'll just want to double click it and go through the process of installing it. Now I've already installed it, so I'm not going to go through this, but that's why it's asking me to repair or remove it, because I've already got it installed. So you want to go ahead through the process and install it, and then once you do, you'll see an icon on your desktop that looks like this: Launch Data Recovery. And that's what we want to use. So let's wait for it to open. Okay, here we go. Now what's neat about this is it gives you several options. I haven't tried none of these. I went straight to the advanced, and I saw where it had all my hard drives listed here, and I was like, wow, this is really cool, very simple. So I unchecked all the ones except for the one that I reformatted, which is my main C drive, and I left all of these checked because I wanted to make sure that it found every file that I had on there, whether it was from the reformatted partition, from a corrupted hard drive sector, even if it didn't have any names, or if it was left in the recycle bin for some reason or another. So after clicking advanced, I just leave checked the drive that I want scanned, and then I click on start scan. And if you look over here, you can see these numbers just going up by 100. It's up to 700 already. If you look over here, you'll see how they neatly have it organized by images, documents, audio, video, text, HTML files, compressed files, presentations, folders, binary files, and other files. So it even neatly organizes all this information for you, so you don't have to go digging through all of it to find exactly what you're needing. For example, for my church, there was a lot of lessons that I had taught on, and I was looking for them. And so once I clicked documents, immediately here are the files that I had on my desktop for it, along with a lot of others too. So far it's up to 116 documents, 651 images, 453 text files. The other files, I'm not sure what all those are. Probably mostly just computer files that won't do me much good. I was more interested in getting the images, the documents, text files, HTML files, and also presentations. Those were the ones I was looking for. and as you can see, it's only about, I don't know, 20% done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pause this video just briefly for a second, and then we'll come back to it as soon as it's done. Okay, and after about 10 minutes, we now have 17,633 files that it's found. And so I'm just going to check this box, make sure all these are check marked, and it's telling me the file recovery location is going to be on my desktop in a folder called recovered items, and I can change that if I want, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it and click recover. And now there's 2.26 gigs, so this will probably take a while for all of it to be recovered, but that's all there is to it. This is an excellent tool to use. And just remember, the web domain for that is savemyfiles.net, and hopefully the problems you're having with recovering files will be solved as well. So thank you for watching this video, and good luck.